Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to redo this candle holder that I got at a thrift store for $3.99. So I grabbed this candle holder, and it was $3.99. I'm not sure if there's supposed to be like more pieces that go around because of the way it's shaped, but this is what I got at the thrift store. So the first thing I'm going to do is give that a coat of nice sage green chalk paint, and I got the paint at Hobby Lobby. And here it is with its first coat. I ended up putting 2 coats on it. Next, I'm going to take these circles. They're just flat, round circles that I got at Walmart. I got them in the kids craft section because they were actually cheaper than the ones that they had in the regular craft section. And I put a coat of brown wax on all 3 of them. Once that was dry, I'm going to take that same sage green paint and give it a couple of coats on top of the brown wax, right on top of those circles. Next, after I got these all coated, I'm going to take some Mod Podge and I'm going to lay some onto these circles. Then I'm going to lay down this tissue paper that I got at Dollar Tree. I'm just going to lay that on top and rub it out with my fingers, and then I'm just going to cut off the excess. And I'm going to do that on all 3 of these circles. Then I sanded off the excess once they were dry, and now I'm going to glue these on top of the candle holders. And this is just going to give me a bigger base to set things on, and also add a little decorative touch with the tissue paper. And you can use scrapbook paper. You can also paint any color that you choose. This was just the colors that I really liked for this because I really wanted this to have like a really bright spring vibe. Next, I'm going to take 3 clay pots that I got at Dollar Tree. And I'm going to take some stickers that I got at Dollar Tree. And these are just little pearls. And I'm going to add those to the top of this clay pot. And they're just stickers, so they self-stick, and then once I paint over them, they'll hold even better. I've done this a few times, and they actually hold really well. So I'm just going to make sure that I have them evenly all the way across, and then just pop off the excess. Make sure they're all stuck down. Next one, I'm going to use these other stickers that I got at Dollar Tree, and these are kind of like flower-shaped. They have like little diamonds with like a pearl in the center. So I'm going to make sure that I have them all cut out evenly so they all look like flowers and I'm not just cutting off some of like what's supposed to be the petal. And I'm going to do that all the way around the top of this one. And again, these are stickers, so they're just going to self-stick. And you're going to do and cut as many as you need to go all the way across. And then just cut off the excess. And then finally, I'm going to take these, I think they're supposed to be like diamond stickers. These are also from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to add that to this pot. I'm just going to go all the way around till it matches up and then cut off the excess. Once I have those all stuck on, I'm going to take that same sage green paint and I'm going to add a coat of that to each one of these pots. And you want to make sure that you really get in between all of the little spaces on your stickers. So you want to really pounce your brush in there to make sure that you get full coverage. Once I have those all coated with the sage green paint, I'm going to take some white paint and kind of whitewash them after. As you can see, I'm like pouncing that green paint right in there to make sure that it's all covered and that you can't see the pink from the stickers. And now I'm just going to add some of that white to it. Like I said, I'm not going to fully cover the pot with the white. I'm just going to go around and just kind of add it lightly. And then I'm going to take some sandpaper and sand off the excess. As you can see, they're kind of like whitewash, but you can still see the green coming through. Now I'm going to take my sandpaper and I'm going to sand down the candle holder itself. I want some of that brown to come through. And that's the same reason why I stained the discs, because when you sand around the edges, instead of seeing plain wood on those, you'll actually see this stain. And here it is once I finish sanding it. Now I'm going to take some greenery that I got at Dollar Tree and just pop those in each one of the pots and set those on top. And now I have the cutest little plants. I think this just turned out so cute. And you could use it for so many different things. You could put candles on it or plants. It's totally up to you. I hope this inspires you to look at things at a thrift store differently. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.